In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana. Hi everyone! If you're new to Asana or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you set up a clean, organized project from scratch so you can start working with clarity and confidence. First, open Asana and log into your account. You can use the web app or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so your project lands in the right place. This helps keep everything organized and visible to the people who need it. On the left sidebar, look for the plus New Project button and click it. This is your starting point for building something tailored to your workflow. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar. It's usually near your team or project list. Next, Asana will ask how you want to begin. You can choose a blank project to build it your way, or pick a template if you want a pre-made layout with suggested sections and fields. Templates are great for repeatable workflows like onboarding, content calendars, or product sprints, while a blank project gives you full control. Give your project a clear, descriptive name. Choose something your teammates will understand at a glance, and consider a simple naming convention if your organization manages lots of projects. The goal is to make it easy to find and recognize. Now choose your layout. List View organizes tasks in a straightforward list, perfect for checklists, backlog items, or linear workflows. Board View places tasks in columns, which is ideal for stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. If you're unsure, pick the one that matches how your team thinks about work. You can adjust later if you need to. When you're ready, click Create Project. Asana will set everything up based on your choices and take you directly into your new workspace. Your new project will open, and you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, and setting due dates. Keep task names action-oriented and specific so they're easy to understand. Assign each task to the right person so responsibilities are clear, and add due dates to keep momentum and set expectations. As you build, consider grouping related tasks into sections or columns to make progress visible and easy to track. Clear ownership and realistic timelines are the keys to a project that actually gets finished. And that's how you create a project in Asana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.